What's the meaning of conic? Conic. Conic.
Conic. Conic. In geometry, a conic is a curve that is formed by the intersection of a plane and a cone. Depending on the angle and position of the plane relative to the cone, the resulting conic can take on different shapes, including circles, ellipses, parabolas, and hyperbolas. Conics have many applications in mathematics, physics, and engineering, including describing the orbits of planets and satellites, analyzing the behavior of electromagnetic waves, and designing reflective surfaces for telescopes and other optical instruments.